Hello viewers, welcome to my channel CS Learning. Today we will going to discuss about Python programming language, and first we will get to know what is Python and why we are using this programming language. In my previous video already I have introduced Python, and one video is there how to install Python and Jupyter Notebook, and how to use it with along with programming. So if you have not seen those videos, you can see those videos to download Python in your own computer. So now we will discuss about Python programming. First of all, computers strictly understand only the task given to it in machine language. So we want a language that could understand by computers. So to work around this, we introduce some programming language so that it will easier to give command to the computers. And Python is one of the programming language introduced in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. So why we are actually using Python? Why Python only? Why not other programming language? First of all, Python is very versatile programming language, and comparison to other programming language, it is easier to learn for the students. Whoever is learning programming for the first time, Python is easier to learn for them. That's why we are starting with Python today, and we will see how to use Python along with IDLE, and how to use Python, how to code in Python with Jupyter Notebook. That is also a environment of programming. So let's get started. We will move to our IDLE, and here we are using 3.9 IDLE of Python. So let me write here. First you have to install Python in your machine, so that whenever you search Python 3.9, this search results will come, and here we are opening the IDLE. It will looks like this. White page will come, and you will go to the file, click on the file, then go to the new file, and a file will open like this, untitled file. So in this file we will write our program, and then we can save this file. We can go to save as option, and we can save this file. So I am saving this file at first. Python basic. I will give the file name Python basic, Python underscore basic. So in this file our program will save. So you can see now in the place of untitled one, this showing previously, now the name of given file has been came like python basic 01.py. And why this .py extension? Whenever we save a Python file, it will comes with an extension py automatically. Okay, so now we will write a Python code which will print a line. So for doing that, we will write print statement inside quotation. We will write our sentence that we want to print. welcome to CS learning and bracket close. Okay, now we will run our code, run module, or if you press F5 then also it will run. So you can see after running the program, this is the output. Welcome to CS learning. Whatever we have written inside our print statement, that is coming as an output. Okay, so I'm closing this output window, and again I am adding some lines in my program. So let me write one another print statement. Here I will write giving a comma. This is a general syntax I am using. Now running the module, again running the code. If I run this code, you can see welcome to CS learning. In the next line it is coming, let's learn Python coding, right? So here you can see the code as well as the output. I am placing this together side by side so you can see the code. Whenever I am writing this print statement, that is welcome to CS learning, this output is coming welcome to CS learning in the first line. In the next line it is giving you let's learn, okay, let's learn Python coding, as I have written it in a single print statement, but I have written it with separate two separate with quotations. So it is coming in the same line. Okay, now if I want to write this in a different line, so I just have to give a slash n backslash n, and if I run this code, you see this is the previous output and this is the next output is coming welcome to CS learning, let's learn Python coding, and before this let's learn space is coming. Why this is so? Because inside this quotation I have given a space. If I erase this space and again running the code, then you see no space is coming. Previously a space has been given before let's, but here no space has been included. So however you are writing the statement or the sentence inside the print function, it will comes same as in output. So I hope you have understood how to write a small code in Python, and this is only the print statement I am showing you. Next, the same thing we will write in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so how to do in Jupyter Notebook, I will show it here only. So first of all, we have to open our Jupyter Notebook home page. This is my Jupyter Notebook home page. And from here, if you click in this new button and then Python 3, then a untitled bar will be open like this, untitled 5. but I will not do in this untitled one. I have already saved here Python basic, a file I have saved here. So I will click on this file. Previously it has been saved. So if you want to open a previous file that has been already saved in Jupyter Notebook, so you just have to click on that file and it will open like this. Just this rectangular box, one rectangular box will responsible for running one code. If I write a code inside a rectangular box, then I click on this run button. See, the program is running and the output is also same as the previous one. Okay, so the two things I have shown you, one is in Jupyter Notebook and another one is Python ideally. So that it is your choice that which one you will prefer to do your coding. Okay, in the next video we will see how to add two numbers, how to take input two numbers, input of two numbers, and find the product and sum of them. So this program we will do in the next session. Till then, keep practicing, try new codes in Python and keep practicing so that you will understand it in a better way. Thank you very much. Let's end the session here for today. Next day we will again meet and with a new program we will learn Python.